Welcome to another exciting journey, where we explore the world in a way that's not only kinder to the planet but also full of vibrant flavors. In today's video, we're diving into the world of plant-based travel, showing you how you can enjoy incredible destinations while staying true to your compassionate and eco-conscious lifestyle. If you're someone who loves to explore new places and indulge in plant-based cuisine, you're in the right place. Traveling as a plant-based eater might seem challenging, but trust me, with a little preparation and an adventurous spirit, it can be one of the most rewarding ways to experience the world. So let's get started on how you can travel the globe while sticking to your plant-based values. Our first stop is planning. Before we embark on our journey, let's talk about the basics of plant-based travel. When planning your trip, it's important to research the local food culture and find out which countries and cities are most accommodating to plant-based diets. Countries like Thailand, India, and Italy offer a wealth of plant-based options rooted in their traditional cuisine. In Thailand, you'll find street vendors selling delicious meals like pad thai, papaya salad, and mango sticky rice, all of which can be made completely plant-based. Markets are filled with fresh produce, and many traditional dishes are naturally vegan or easily adaptable. Next, we head to Italy. You might think Italy is all about cheese and meats, but did you know that Italian cuisine is packed with plant-based options? From fresh pasta made with olive oil and tomatoes to vegetable-based pizzas and hearty bruschetta, Italy offers plenty for plant-based travelers to enjoy. Now, even in places where plant-based options aren't as widely available, there are still ways to ensure you stick to your diet. One of the best tips for plant-based travel is to learn a few key phrases in the local language, so you can communicate your dietary needs clearly. You can also pack a few essential snacks like nuts, protein bars, or dried fruits for when you're on the go and can't find plant-based meals. Another tip for plant-based travelers is to seek out local plant-based or vegan communities. Many cities around the world now have thriving vegan scenes with dedicated restaurants, cafes, and markets. Apps like Happy Cow can help you find plant-based eateries no matter where you are, making it easier to dine out without compromising your diet. One of the best ways to truly experience a new destination as a plant-based traveler is by visiting local farmers markets. Here, you can connect with local farmers, learn about the region's agriculture, and sample the freshest seasonal produce. It's an eco-friendly way to eat while supporting local communities and reducing your environmental footprint. Beyond the food, plant-based travel is about experiencing the world in a way that aligns with your values. Many plant-based travelers also care deeply about sustainability and ecotourism. When planning your trips, consider staying in eco-friendly accommodations, participating in conservation efforts, and supporting businesses that prioritize environmental and ethical practices. Whether it's staying at an eco-lodge that supports wildlife conservation or choosing to walk or bike instead of driving, there are so many ways to ensure your travels leave a positive impact on the planet. In conclusion, plant-based travel is about much more than just finding good food. It's about embracing a lifestyle that's mindful of the planet, compassionate toward animals, and healthy for you. From bustling cities to remote nature escapes, there's a whole world of plant-based travel waiting for you to explore. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of plant-based travel. If you have any tips or experiences you'd like to share, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and plant-based adventures. See you on the next trip. Why subscribe for more content, and don't forget to comment, like this video if you enjoyed it. Safe travel.